Hi everyone, and welcome along to today's video. So I've had a few of you write to me and say that you've drained the radiator or you've done some work and even just cleared air out of the radiator that was not working properly. Now the thing is, you filled it up and then worried about, should I be adding more inhibitor? Which is a tricky question in the sense of how much do you add? How much did you drain out? How much air did you release from the radiator to know? Well, fortunately, help is at hand, especially if you use two particular products of inhibitor, and that is the Fernox one and the Sentinel one. The Sentinel one looks like it's more designed just for sentinel testing, but the other one you can use on any inhibitor. Now I'll show you what I mean. This will give you the correct dosage and work out what your system kind of needs. So let's have a look at these products now. I'll show you on my PC. This is the Sentinel one. As you can see, it's the X100, and you're not getting a lot cheaper than that, are you? 187, so it's 224 including that from City Plumbing. That's great value, I reckon. And as you can read there, the product details. It's a simple way to check the system's treated with Sentinel X100 inhibitor has been dosed to the correct level for proper protection against limestone and corrosion. So great stuff. Let's have a look at some more. This one, the Fernox One Express inhibitor test kit, and it allows rapid inhibitor concentration testing for all Fernox protectors, and this is the most important bit, any other modibate-based inhibitors in a central heating system. So you get 50 tests with this, so there's quite a lot. Okay, 50 test strips should keep you going for a while, I think. If you would like something a lot more elaborate, again, Fernox also do a system health check kit, which is obviously a bit more expensive. As you can see, this uses a postal service. Okay, identify defects in the system or treatment, and all major water parameters tested, blah blah blah. So this is a much more upmarket type of affair, but you pay a bit more money. There you are. If you're worried about how much inhibitor to put back into your central heating system, they are quite simple, easy, and I think fairly inexpensive ways of finding out how much you're going to need to put back in. Also, inhibitor, people have asked me how long should it be left in, how often should it be changed? Well, recommended is actually yearly, but I tend to leave mine for a couple of years, then give a full drain, empty every single thing out, flush it out, and then put fresh inhibitor in. That gives you a fresh start. I say usually 1 year is the actual change period, but I do mine every 2. That's a bit too soon for me. So I'll leave that up to you. That's your decision. Okay, that's about it though. Just a quick one to catch up on. I was asked about all my stuff here to go. Derek 33. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.